Hello guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. Hope you're all doing well. We've got 2015 Sport Silver Metallic Porsche Panamera. It's a 3 litre V6 TiptronicS. It's got 23,531 miles and it's a diesel automatic with a full service history. Absolutely lovely motor, well looked after by the previous owner. It's got the 18-inch Panamera gloss black alloy wheels, really good condition on all 4 alloys. I will post the alloys on the trader page so you get a really good look. It's got the matching silver Porsche brake calipers. Electronic adjustable door mirrors with the folding mechanism, front and rear parking sensors with a reverse parking camera, Bi-Xenon headlights with the cleaning system and the automatic activation. There's the third alloy and the last alloy. It's got the privacy glass at the rear side window and at the tailgate. Like I mentioned, it does have a full service history. So it's had 2 Porsche specialist services, one at 11,000, 18,000, and we've just done a service as well for it, 23,000, which were adjoined to Lancaster Volkswagen. So really good service overall. It's got a reverse parking camera, but overall really lovely vehicle. I'll just show you inside. Inside the vehicle, it's got the open and close, electronic adjustable windows, electronic adjustable door mirrors, and the power tailgate button. Bose premium sound system, so it's got really good sound system, electronic adjustable seats, premium carbon black seats. It's got the electronic adjustable handbrake, automatic activation headlights, 2 keys. It's got a really cool Porsche steering. It's got cruise control with a speed limiter, gear shift paddles here on the right and on the left, with 23,531 miles on the clock. I'll just show you the reverse parking camera as well. There you go, front and rear parking sensors with a reverse parking camera. It's got AM, FM and DAB. There's also the media button, telephone preparation, which connects your phone via Bluetooth, and I'll just show you the sat-nav navigation. Sat-nav navigation, very responsive, high resolution, dual zone air conditioning. It's got all different configurations, heated seats with 3 different settings at the driver's and passenger side, working absolutely amazing. No faults in the system at all. Stop and start. There's the traction control off, a 12-volt plug socket, a little storage compartment, cup holder, and it's got a lovely leather armrest with a USB and auxiliary and a 12-volt plug socket. But overall, really lovely vehicle, to be honest. I'll just show you the back. It's got the electronic adjustable windows, storage compartment. It's got the ice-fix preparation seats, storage pockets here on the left and on the right, air conditioning unit, a few different storage compartments with the air conditioning unit, and a 12-volt plug socket. So that's really good, and a lovely leather armrest with storage compartment inside there. Really lovely condition. I'll just show you the boot. Like I mentioned, it does have a power tailgate. No faults in the system at all. It's got the rubber inlays as well for it. Storage compartment here on the left and on the right. I'll just show you underneath it as well. It's got the tyre inflation kit and the Bose sound system. Overall, really lovely car. Just show you, give you a final look. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle, or information about your own part exchange or finance in the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.